guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, this is chapter 52. Let's start reading. My lord, ngayon, uneasiness, anxious ka na masyado. Apart from Duke Jin, who else has such great ability? O, diba? Alam niya. You have nothing to do with this? Do you dare to swear? Ay nako, ewan ko sa yung ama ka. Wala, kwenta din. Char lang. My lord, if you think I colluded with the bandits, ayan, drama starts again. Feel free. Report to the officials and arrest me. Huh. Report to the officials to arrest you? If I can find all the evidence and fight against Tukchin, how could I be manipulated like this? Kung ko sa'yo, ilang beses ka na nga na-manipulate eh. It's all dispersed. Let's all disperse and let Bansha rest well. Yung silayas na nga kayo dyan. Bansha's coming of age ceremony will be held in 3 days, and the invitations have all been sent out. Cure Bansha as soon as possible, otherwise the ceremony will have to be postponed. Physician Dr. Who. Yes. On our way back, Yubei and I agreed that I would wait for him to grasp the whole plan before revealing Jinshi's scheme. So magpre-pretend muna siya until everything's already sorted out. Ganon. However, it is good to saw discord between father and Jinshi. Nga naman, hindi na siya pinagkakatiwala ng father niya eh. Simula nung dumating siya, simula nung reincarnate siya. 3 days later, Marcus Yao's mansion will host a banquet for Bansha's coming-of-age ceremony. And formally introduce Bansha to everyone. Di pa pala siya formally announced? Bakit parang takot na takot tong mga maids? The mansion started busy early in the morning. In order to show her motherly image, Chinshi was particularly diligent. Charot. So as if, siya yung punong abala ganun. Yao's residence. Ito ni mga bisita o mga supplies lang yan. Outside the gate, there were numerous guests invited here to send gifts. Mga gifts na talaga yun. So, today na yung yung coming of age ni Bansha. Put on more powder so you will look finer. I can't lend you mine if it's not enough. Wow, more powder pa yung nasabi. Siya, siya, diba? Bunso? Miss, she deliberately humiliated you. She knows it's your coming of age ceremony, but she still dressed up so eye-catching. Ibig sabihin niya kabastusan. Maiintindihan din naman ng mga tao yan. Clearly trying to steal the show. Pero sinubuan lang siya ni Bansha. Kaya mo na. Endure the anger, and only then can you happily watch her humiliating herself later. Oo nga, di naman niya coming of age, pero siya yung nagpaganda ng sobra. Ito yung loyal na katulong ni Bansha, Bansha, congratulations on your coming of age ceremony. Sino ba to ulit? Si Princess Zixing. Sino nga to? Kapatid yun ng ng isang royalty din. So, pinsan siya ni Yubei. Look, Oh, ano nga tawag niyan? Hairpin? Hindi eh, kasi tinutusok lang yan sa buhok, 'di ba? The Kirin dispels evil spirit, also symbolizing auspiciousness. Insert. It's really auspicious. Thank you very much, Your Highness. It's a rare to have a gift that suits my taste so well. Mabait naman siya dito, no? Siyempre, ilang beses din naman siya tinulungan nitong princess na to. I'm glad you like it. Baka hindi talaga galing sa kanya, baka galing kang ano, Yubei, ano. Sabi ni. Actually, this gift was entrusted to me by my cousin, the crown prince. He specifically asked me not to tell Bansha that the gift was from him. Sabi ni, di galing sa kanya yan eh, kay Yubei yan eh. Thank you, Zicheng. Ito yung binigay sa pinsan niya kasi alam yung di tatanggihan ni Bansha. O diba? Ma-epal yarn. Ma-epal yung babaeng yarn. Why didn't we see Ding Shuang? Ding Shuang yung pinsan nila na lalaki, di ba? Kuya niya. Ay, hindi babae pala yung si Ding Shuang. Last time, during the Qin competition, Ding Shuang made a mistake in front of the crown prince and was isolated by the noble women's circle in the capital. Oh, kasi provoke niya kasi si Bansha, diba, last time. As long as you hate Ding Shuang, we're good friends. Di na nila nilalapitan. She is still under house arrest by her father. Yan kasi mapagmataas kasi masyado eh. I see. Well, kasalanan naman niya yun. Unfortunately, Deng Shuang may not have a good marriage this year. Bakit maganda ba yung marriage niya last life? No wonder Yu Bei said before that he couldn't interfere in the affairs of the court officials. Cannot interfere pero kaya magpahiya. As for the private affairs of my brother and your sister, I cannot interfere too much, but I can help you if necessary. So, paano niya kaya tutulungan ngayon? Paano niya kakalat yung chismis about their secret affair? The relationship between official is complicated. The superficial harmony is necessary. If the crown prince could interfere, it would help a lot. So, paano ka nga niya tutulungan? Duke Jean, Madam Jean have arrived. Ito na naman tong mga ano to, malaking kasalanan ka sa pamilya ni Bansha. Father, mother, you finally arrived. Ah, lolo-lola pala niyan. It's been a long time, Qingdai has grown more and more beautiful. Baka sa Qingdai yung binati nila na yung may coming of ceremony this time is si Shiwei. Ay, Shiwei. Si Bansha. Si Shiwei. Today is Bansha's coming of age ceremony. You have really worked hard as her mother. Oh, pero yung inano nila, yung apo nila, yung nilapitan. Mother, Bansha is my youngest daughter, so of course I love her more. Even if it's tiring, I am happy to do it for Bansha's sake. Wow. Magaling magdrama ang lola mo. You are so kind. I'm glad you made our family proud of you. In-laws, please take a seat quickly. That girl is Bansha, right? Ano naman kaya sasabihin nito? Here comes the supporter of Jinshi. So that's the end of this chapter. So here's the preview of the next one. Prince Duan has arrived. Oh, ito na naman tong Prince Duan na to. So ano na namang paano mo, drama mo ngayon. Congratulations on your coming of age, fiancé. Here is a gift. Alright, that's the end. And the chapter of the next coming chapter would be Mali. The title of the next chapter would be The Good Show is About to Begin. So stay tuned and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye.